Hello and welcome. My name is Brian Alderman and I wanted to take a few moments to invite you to the upcoming SharePoint Fest. I am going to be hosting a full-day workshop on how to become a SharePoint Online admin expert. This session or workshop is at the beginning of the full week conference. And why is that important? Because in this workshop, we're going to create a brand new tenant. And in that tenant, we're going to add a couple users. And then we're going to go to SharePoint Online and we're going to look at administrative tasks. We're going to look at the deployment, configuration, and management. Now, when we wrap up that workshop, because it's the beginning of the week, you have other sessions, you have other workshops you're going to be attending that may be focusing on something in Office 365. Guess what? You can use the tenant that we created earlier in the week for those sessions, for those workshops. So I'm going to ask you to register for SharePoint Fest, and I'm going to ask you to register for my workshop, How to Become a SharePoint Online Admin Expert, and bring a laptop and follow along with me so that way you have a tenant after you leave the workshop and you have a tenant when you get back to the office. I'll see you at SharePoint Fest.